Hi, and welcome to the latest episode of the Big Little Questions. Today's question is, what are the differences between the DJI Mini 1 and the DJI Mini 2? The main differences between the DJI Mini 1 and the DJI Mini 2 are as follows. The camera resolution on the Mini 1 is 2.7K, while the camera resolution on the DJI Mini 2 is 4K. The improved camera resolution of the DJI Mini 2 greatly increases image quality. The other difference is the fact that the DJI Mini 2 is lighter than the DJI Mini 1. The fact that the new Mini 2 is lighter than the Mini 1 is important to drone operators as the flight regulations in many countries change once you go over 250 grams. For example, in some countries, it is illegal to fly a drone heavier than 250 grams for commercial purposes without a license. The DJI Mini 1 and Mini 2 both stay below this weight limit, but the Mini 2 is the lighter of the two. This allows users to add reflective stickers onto the device without risking going over the weight limit. The DJI Mini 2's camera also has a 4x digital zoom, whereas the Mini 1's camera has no zoom feature at all. The Mini 2 can also shoot photographs in both JPEG and in RAW format, while the Mini 1 is only capable of capturing JPEG images. The ability to shoot RAW photographs gives the user the freedom to process and edit their own images at a later point in time. Another substantial difference between the Mini 1 and the Mini 2 is the fact that the Mini 2 operates using DJI's Ocusync technology, whereas the Mini 1 operates using traditional Wi-Fi technology. Ocusync allows the DJI Mini 2 to fly with a transmission range of 10 kilometers or 6 miles, whereas the traditional Wi-Fi that is utilized by the Mini 1 only allows the Mini 1 to operate with a transmission range of 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles. Another benefit of the Mini 2 is the fact that it has greatly improved wind resistance when compared to the wind resistance capabilities of the Mini 1. The Mini 1 is safe to operate in winds up to 28 kilometers an hour or 17 miles an hour, while the Mini 2 can operate in winds up to 37 kilometers or 22 miles an hour. Simply put, the DJI Mini 2 is better than the Mini 1 because it has a better camera resolution, lower weight, better transmission capabilities, better wind resistance, and it also has a digital zoom. Thanks for listening. If you have found any of the information I have provided informative, please give the material a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my website at smombie.club. That's SMOMBIE.club. Cheers!